This is folding. Go inside now, nobody is inside.
Okay.
Go check, it's folding. We go in. This is barbecue, here is the yard.
Okay. Let me show the outside first. Okay.
If you want to have caravan, this is caravan.
It's tiny house.
This is caravan with balcony.
Oh.
Πάμε first mal inside and then we go outside to see. Clients will go. The viewer will leave. He wants to have a quick look, then we will show him. Like a caravan, look. With lots of space.
Amazing. I want to show this. Okay.
This goes back.
Okay.
We are here inside now. And now you have the yard.
It's amazing. And another, and here is a bedroom.
Caravan.
Wow. And it's tall. You feel spacious in here.
And the toilet here.
Yes, I'm going to show it right away.
Has furniture, normal house.
It's amazing. Amazing.
You feel like a rich man.
Wow. No, better with no light. Wow. Very unique.
Let's go to show this from outside and walk around. The barbecue area.
Yes.
Kitchen and barbecue here.
This is the best. On the
And
outside.
this looks like it folds.
Yes, it folds and goes inside the wall. Amazing.
It has its own step. This stairs is from the vehicle. Fahrzeug.
Okay.
Κάνε και πάνω. If I go for any camping, I will say I'm one car and one caravan. I will say to the guy in the camping. How much does it cost? One guy, one caravan, one car. And you're paid with this, huh? You occupy everything, see? Look.
Yes. Wait.
You wait.
Carefully.
I don't wait. Nothing. Κοίτα, εδώ είναι the sun.
Hello.
Εδώ
Hello.
είναι the sun. Κοίτα.
Hello. I want a parking space for a camping.
This
I
is-
have a camper.
This is a caravan. My next caravan. Τι κάνεις?
Δουλεύω.
Καλά. Από πού είσαι?
Ιβάν λέγομαι από Βουλγαρία.
Έχεις
Είναι ευτυχισμένοι στη Βουλγαρία.
Α, ελληνικά Έλληνας είσαι.
Έχω μεγαλώσει στην Ελλάδα.
Τι λέτε.
Έλα να σου δείξω εδώ, καλέ. Περίμενε. Δες εδώ. Βλέπεις.
Ναι,
You see.
the company.
The company.
Τώρα μένεις στη Γερμανία.
Όχι, στη Βουλγαρία μένω και τα φτιάχνουμε.
Look here. Did you see?
Δεν κατάλαβες τι
And
Έλληνες.
here,
Άκουσα ελληνικά.
Μετά.
here is
Μιλάμε για να ακούνε οι ξένοι εκεί να συμμετέχουν κι αυτοί.
here is where you have to call and
Α,
order.
Nicole here.
And you order. I say I want this.
Πόσο πάει αυτό.
Η τιμή πάει από 130.000 μέχρι 150.000.
130,000
Up to
a little bit up to 150.
150 is the model with solar panels, batteries and smart systems.
okay, I understand. Amazing.
Ναι, τι
Amazing.
συστάσεις.
Amazing.
Και πόρτα και τέτοια και
Amazing.
αυτά. Ok, ladies and gentlemen. Τώρα πάρτε την
Τι να την κάνω εγώ τώρα.
Την εικόνα που ήθελες.
Κράτα την
Ακριβώς.
τσάντα. Το έχεις και στο zoom. Πήραμε κανένα thumbnail από εκεί.